Okay, so I've opened up the box for the dryer vent cleaning brush and the kit. This is a 30-foot cleaning kit, and I figured I only need about 20 feet. But anyway, this kit comes complete with a 4-inch brush that attaches to these rods. And each rod is connected by the next rod as you go into the vent and as far as you need to go to clean. Also, there's a fitting here that goes into the end of any of the rods, your last rod, and this fits into your drill. So you would simply take your drill, open up the fitting, tighten it up, and there you go. I'll spin it around, and here you go. Look at that. So let's get started. Wow, that's working, and I only went in a couple of feet. So this vent is a hard pipe because I know it is, because I put it in before I finished my basement, and it goes to the exterior of the house. But look at all that lint just from going a couple of feet. Certainly not good for your dryer or the performance of your dryer, and a fire risk. So I'm glad I'm doing it. But as I'm doing this, I would recommend having the shop vac around to help suck out some of this lint. The objective, though, is to run this through and have the lint exhaust on the outside of the house. So I'll continue to connect rods, push this in there, and clean it all the way out to the exterior of the house rather than pulling it back on the interior. One important part of the instructions is that set your drill so that this brush operates clockwise. If you have it counterclockwise, the threads will undo and you'll lose your brush within your duct, along with the pole extensions.
I discovered this shop vac attachment after I had already completed the cleaning project. This is something I would recommend purchasing along with your cleaning kit. This adapter will allow you to connect your vacuum while you simultaneously clean out your duct and all but eliminate the mess you see here. While under my rear deck examining the dryer vent exhaust, I noticed that it was installed incorrectly on the underside of a cantilevered bay window floor joist. Critters can easily access my house through the vent opening and the oversized cutout to the left of the vent. I will have to correct this issue in the very near future and will include that fix in a subsequent video. So between the inside opening and the outside opening, a lot of lint was removed.
Well, that worked out better than expected, and in fact, I knew there was lint in there, but I didn't realize the extent of the lint. We saw how much lint came out on the outside of the house and then also on the inside of the house. And there's no doubt in my mind that that was the cause of our dryer taking forever to dry. And that certainly equates to a safety hazard as well as an efficiency issue. And well, it was long overdue. I highly recommend it. This kit was under $30. Everybody has a drill, I would imagine, and you could save some time and money, I think, if you do it yourself annually. So I looked up the cost for a dryer vent cleaning, and it ranges depending on what the circumstances are. Anyway, it took me about 10 minutes, $30 in material, or $30 for the brush and pole set. Anyone can do it. And the range of costs that I saw was anywhere from $80 to $250. So if you're doing it every year, it's pretty good savings. You don't have to wait for a guy to show up and do the job for you. And you buy the kit once and you have it forever. And as I said, this kit, the pole extensions that I have here, and then the additional extensions, this particular kit was under $30, as I said, and will clean out ducts up to 30 feet. A great investment. In fact, one of the best investments I've made recently. And I look forward to seeing how quickly our laundry dries, period. Additionally, we've noticed an increase in humidity in the house. So all that moist air wasn't getting out the way it should. So that humid, moist air is backing up. And so from a humidity perspective, an efficiency perspective, and a safety perspective, to avoid, among other things, a lint fire, this is something I strongly recommend. One thing I did notice, and not a big deal, but what happens is when you're using this threaded system, it wants to tighten up on itself. It simply takes 2 sets of pliers and gently unthread it. Just grip the opposite sides, spin it counterclockwise, remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and that's it. And then you continue down the line, and slowly remove each section. And you won't likely have to do this again for another year. The other thing that I noticed about this pole system, this connected pole system, is it's incredibly flexible. You can get around any turns and corners and bends without a problem. And the material is so flexible, and it's virtually unbreakable. And it's a beautiful stainless steel, it looks like, male and female threaded system, and easily connects. As you can see, the cleaning kit took it down to the polished metal. And while I was at it, I cleaned out the internal duct on the clothes dryer.
now it's ready for next time.